Hey. Hey.
What? What's wrong?
You're snoring.
Me? Oh, I'm sorry. Look at her.
You have to stop coddling her.
I don't coddle her. What? She tries to drink the water. It's funny.
I don't know, a cup of soup, a cup salad. Yeah, I have bacon. I don't have all day to describe all my meals to you. Stop eating all my things, you stupid animal. No, Cam, not you. I'll call you back. Eat his shoe. Come on. Eat his shoe. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yeah. Like this, look.
Mom?
Drop it. Please. I'm sorry you had to see this.
Sell it to you for $200.
That's it. Give me my dog. Oh, really? The little girl thinks because she can scream, she can get away with everything? I can scream too. Ah! 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 The door. Ay, Stella, no! Ay, no, Stella, don't do it. Don't kill yourself. You're a perfectly fine dog. I don't hate you. Stella, okay, I was a little mean to you, but that's no reason to kill yourself. You are young. You still have so much left to smell. Ay, I go. I'm coming. Manny. Ay, come on, Stella.
What happened?
Are you okay?
She did it again.
And you jumped in to save her.
No, Jay. I wanted to take a little swim before going to the wedding.
Get her a towel. She's shaking like a leaf. Oh, no, I meant...
Thank you, Jay. The dog towel for me. For the wife.